Hi, today we have Rackspace Hosting Stock Outlook 2015. Last year I announced the button on this company, Rackspace. Last year Wall Street, more than 90% of Wall Street gave this company as dead, saying that the only hope for Rackspace going forward, it will be the company eventually to be bought by someone. And I announced the button in Rackspace Hosting precisely when Wall Street, most of the analysts, they became bearish. And they became bearish precisely at the bottom, as I dreamed about this 2 years ago when I called the crash in Rackspace Hosting, $77 all the way down to my target price, the downside, to be $28. So I recommended last year in 2014 to cover short positions ahead of that downside. It was around $31.5. And at the same time, using the weakness below $31.5 to buy the most, as you can see on the chart, at a price $29. Today, in the past days, you had in 2015 Rackspace Hosting trading above $54. And last year I announced the price target for Rackspace Hosting. So what I'm going to discuss here in 2015, it is precisely Rackspace Hosting Stock Outlook going forward, what investors they should do. How much higher can Rackspace Hosting eventually move? And today, in 2015, March 2015, you have 90% of Wall Street analysts bullish Rackspace Hosting, unlike in 2014. When I announced the button in Rackspace Hosting, for your information, also I announced the button in Lululemon. So those buttons, they coincided, and Lululemon became, as you know, one of the best performers in the retail space. And Rackspace Hosting became one of the best performers in the tech sector, and this against the predictions of everyone else. Last year in 2014, they said that it was preferable to invest in Amazon, but Amazon, my friends, it was not going to gain 100%, while shares of this company are almost up 100% since the bottom. And this is a fact, and we make decisions based on facts. And so this company, Rackspace Hosting, it was a by far better investment compared to Amazon in terms of potential return on investment. And the history tells us precisely that, as you can see on the chart. So having said this, we are going to start.